to you, then you come down. Supposing you become a state beyond the element, the state where you are a collective being. You are aware of the collective being. You are aware that you are a part and parcel of the whole. You are aware that you have to help your nose and your eyes because you are part and parcel of the whole. You reach that stage where you understand that I am as important as other cells are, and other cells are to be helped by me and they have to sustain me. We are one. There should be complete concord. This awareness comes after realization, and if you do not understand that this awareness, that this collective awareness is the only way you can stay in that area, otherwise you get out. You start having your smaller wells and you just go down. The more you start to expand yourself, you rise higher. And then you are again with your badhas or whatever it is. But if you think that I have to live for the whole, I am responsible for the whole, I am responsible for creating a nucleus of a cell which is going to look after the whole. And if I fall down, the rest also suffers. I have no business to fall down because I have been resurrected to this point. I have entered into the state of collectivity where my being, which is the spirit, is the collective being, and I have to stay there. I have to be there. I cannot fall. It's not the way I can live. But I have seen after realization also, people cannot get out of their shells. They still remain in the shell. They cannot spread their wings and sing and get out of their shell and just fly. They cannot do it. They still stick on to their small ways of life, in a smaller way, in every way. In a holiday you go, you want to have a separate holiday. Why? This is the holiday time. Holy day, as they say, holy day. This is the holy day. When you are with other Sahajogis, you are really enjoying a holiday. Where do you enjoy a holiday otherwise? Which is the other way? To be with them is the real holiday. And that is why one should understand that you should expand your collectivity. If you do not expand your collectivity, you are just a waste. You are a wasteful creation of Sahajogis, which I am sorry to say will go down. Such people show also. In the beginning, gradually they start getting better and better and better. And once you are there in full state, you really enjoy each other's company without having any fears about them, without having any possessiveness about them, without having any kind of expectations, but just enjoying each other. That has to happen. Like all our cells in our body are like that. If they can do it, why not we? Because we have so much of sense. At least we think we have more sense than the cells have. At least this is expected because we have evolved so much from a unicell to this stage. And then you are the epitome of God's creation. You are the topmost people. Then why not? When you are resurrected, the first thing that should happen to you is to understand that you are no more an individual, but you are a collective being. You are no more an individual. All things which make you circumcise your individuality, throw that. You are no more an individual. All problems which come to you as individual problems are absolutely useless, false, wasteful. Think of the collective problems. I enjoy such people. The other day Fergie was anxious to know about Bristol, which points are there, which are giving vibrations from the Mother Earth. He's worried about the whole of Bristol, all the Jamaicans, then about the whole British people, and then of the whole world you should. That's what one should. One should not think, how will my daughter get married? How can I get a ticket to go there? All these nonsensical ideas should be given up. Because you are now entered into the kingdom of God and He is going to look after you. Because that state you establish within yourself, that you are a collective being. All other things will drop off. Gradually everybody will be molded. Even the most difficult I have seen have improved. But what about you, the one who is improving everybody else? What about you? How far you are there? How far in your faith that you know that I have entered into the kingdom of God and that every action mine is looked after and guided by His power. And I am aware of it. I am aware that I have entered into the kingdom of God, which is expressed through my collectivity. So collectivity is the nature of a surgeon. And that's what